Hello, this is Grace and welcome to Sureshot FX. So today we will see a forecast analysis, and this is a forecast analysis for EURCAD pair, as you can see, and we will see the top-down analysis for this pair today. So without much delay, let's get started. Now, as this is a top-down analysis, we will start our analysis with monthly, and let's see what story this monthly candles got for us right here. Now, if we look at these candles right here, these are the latest candles in the monthly time frame, and this is the candle from last month or the last monthly candle. And as you can see that the last monthly candle closed in bullish with a kind of strong momentum right here, and the body right here, this got some volume as well. Now let's see this month's candle. This is this month's candle of December, and if we look closely, we can see that this month's candle already broke the high of the last month's candle, so we can expect to get a bullish momentum from this candle structure. Also, let's see using Fibo that from which level this wick gave a pullback right here. Now we know that according to the smart money concept, when price leaves this kind of imbalance area, then price tries to fill up at least 50% of this imbalance area. So let's see with Fibo what happened right here. Now if we look closely, you can see that price this wick actually touched up to this 50% area and then gave a pullback. So overall, from the monthly structure, we are getting a kind of bullish confirmation or a kind of bullish vibe. So let's move on to the weekly time frame for further analysis. So in the weekly time frame, the first thing that I can see is that price created a kind of strong support here, and we know that support or resistance in the weekly are generally stronger support or resistance, and as this is a support in the weekly, so below this support area there is a good liquidity pool right here, or there is a retail SL pool just below the support area, and as you can see, a price moved down and grabbed the SL of retailers basing on this SL pool. Now interestingly, if we observe the movement of the next candle after this SL grabbing candle right here, we can see that this candle broke the low of the SL grabbing candle here, but then it closed in bullish, right? So why did this happen? Now the answer lies in an order block from weekly order block that is right here, and what this candle did, it touched this order block and then it gave a bullish move from here. So the only reason this candle broke the low of this SL grabbing or the last candle right here was to just fulfill its target right here, and then it gave a bullish movement from here. Now how do we know that this is an order block, right? So let's see, why is this an order block right here? Now as you can see that price is giving a kind of bullish run right here, continuous bullish run right here, and generally whenever price gives this kind of structure or this kind of liquidity void, the previous candle before this kind of liquidity void is known as institutional order block. So this was a order block, weekly order block right here, and price touched this weekly order block and then gave a bullish movement upwards. And since, as you can see, price also from the weekly, that price also have some imbalance right here, so price definitely got some target at this area, so price gave a bullish movement upward. And this was the structure of price in the weekly. Now we will move on to a much lower time frame, and we will go to the 4-hour time frame for further analysis. Now in the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price created a kind of resistance area just right here. So this is our area of resistance in the 4-hour time frame, and we can see that the candles, they actually retested this resistance area a few times right here, as you can see. So this is our retest area, and if you see this area right here, price broke this resistance area and kind of created a minor resistance in this area as well. So this is another resistance area right here, and as price created a resistance right here, so price also has some SL pool just above this resistance area. So this is the SL target for price right here. So that was from 4-hour time frame. Now let's move on to a much smaller time frame, and we'll go to 1-hour time frame now. So this is the structure of price in the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, and the first thing that I can see from here is that price created a kind of support in this area, right? So this is our support in the 1-hour time frame, and we always tell that whenever price creates this kind of support, there will always be an SL pool just below this support area, and price will always try to grab that SL of retailers basing on this support area. So that's what price did. It went down and grabbed the SL of retailers here, and price also had some targets right here, because as you can see, price left some imbalance right here, and price moved down and filled up this imbalance area right here as well. Now moving on, we can see that price also created a kind of resistance area right here, right? So this is a resistance area, and just above this resistance area there is SL pool right here. So price definitely got some targets just above this SL pool. Now the question is, when do we take entry for this trade, right? Now we can also see, if you look at this candle right here, we can see that it left some imbalance right here, and we know that price will always try to fill up this imbalance at least up to 50% area. So let's see the FIBO, and we are expecting that price will go bullish, but we will wait for our confirmation. We will wait for price to fill up this imbalance area up to 50%, and when it gives a pullback from here, we will take an entry. Or if price just goes up from this area and then retests this resistance, then we will take our entry. So that was the analysis for EURCAD. Hope you liked it, and if you like our videos, please follow our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time.